arbitrationagreements.org. Today I'm here to chat with you about a term that often comes up in the realm of alternative dispute resolution, which is impasse. You might have heard this term tossed around during negotiations or mediation sessions. It's a crucial concept to grasp when we are navigating conflicts and looking for resolutions. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's have a relaxed conversation about it. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you save time and money. So, what does impasse mean exactly? Well, in the simplest terms, impasse is a point in a negotiation or mediation where all parties find themselves at a standstill. It seems like there's no movement forward, and coming to a resolution appears almost unreachable. It's like reaching a crossroads and finding that every path you want to take is blocked. The parties involved just can't find a common ground to agree upon. Now, this might sound a bit grim, but don't worry. Reaching an impasse doesn't mean all hope is lost. It's just a sign that it might be time to reassess and perhaps come at the problem from a different angle. Let's bring some numbers into our chat. You'll find it interesting to know that according to various studies conducted over the years, nearly 40 to 60% of mediation cases face an impasse at some point during the process. That's quite a significant portion, isn't it? It's a testament to how common it is to find ourselves at a standstill during negotiations. It's almost like a rite of passage in dispute resolution, a point where everyone takes a step back and reevaluates their positions, and maybe even conjure up some fresh, innovative solutions. But here's another fascinating stat to ponder. A sizable percentage of cases that hit an impasse eventually find a resolution. In fact, many experts suggest that experiencing an impasse can sometimes lead to more thoughtful and creative solutions. It sort of presses the reset button, allowing for new perspectives and ideas to flourish. So, in the grand scheme of things, encountering an impasse isn't the end of the world. It's more of a pause, a moment to breathe and regather. And remember, the goal here is to find a solution that's beneficial for all parties involved, which sometimes means navigating through a few impasses along the way. So the next time you find yourself at an impasse during a mediation or negotiation, take it as an opportunity to grow and learn. Who knows? The resolution that comes afterward might be even better than what you initially hoped for. If you want to learn more information about what impasses are and how to handle them, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think about our definition of impasse? Does it make sense to you? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save time and money.